So Buchi, we're here in our new high-potent API and Payload-Linker expansion lab in our Pyramid Riverview facility. We have our CombiFlash medium pressure chromatography system here. Can you explain a little bit about what that can do for your team as far as the developments and scale-up projects that you can generate with this unit?
Sure, Kevin. The CombiFlash Torrent Teledyne system is a medium pressure chromatography unit that can handle up to 100 psi, and we can go up to 7 kg columns for normal phase purification and 5 kg columns on reverse phase purification. This unit is important in Payload-Linker operations along with our preparative HPLC system, as we need to purify our intermediates and products from time to time to be able to get a quality product towards the end. So as this preparative Teledyne chromatography system can actually generate anywhere from grams to several hundred grams, depending on the number of purification runs that we do on this unit.
And in this case, the system goes up to about 100 psi, which pairs nicely with our much larger 15 centimeter column with high pressure system that can go up to 1500 psi, which we can talk about later.
That's true, and this definitely adds to a wider capability to this particular suite. We can do many more operations and not limit ourselves to a particular stream of purifications within the suite.